Hello, Salesforce enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to dynamically get the record type ID in Salesforce Flow. This can be extremely useful for customizing your Salesforce processes. Whether you are a beginner or an expert in this area, you are in for a treat. But before we jump into it, if you are new here or haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button below and do not forget to ring the notification bell as well so you never miss out on our awesome content. And for all of our returning viewers, welcome back. You are the heart and soul of this channel and I'm grateful for your continued support. Okay, so going back to our topic about the record type. So all I'm gonna do is if go to the web browser of your choice. Basically, Salesforce is compatible to any kind of browser. Right now I'm using a Google Chrome, and then when you hover to Google Chrome, go to Salesforce.com. If you don't have an account yet, please create one. It's super fast and easy. Once you created your account, log in using your credentials, and then you wanna type in go to your dashboard. Once you are on dashboard, okay, all I gotta do is go to accounts here, right? You see the account, and then since we don't have a live account, we can't view any customers information here, but you will see the account type, account name, and account record type. Okay, so with that being said, recording the type of ID in Salesforce basically is really valuable if you ask me for a lot of reasons because it allows you to create more customized automation in business, um, by dynamically determining the record type ID, you can tailor actions and decisions based on the specific characters of the record. So many times you don't know the record type ID beforehand because it varies based on user input or the records data. Dynamically obtaining the record ID, you can implement conditional logic. For instance, you can set up different actions, notifications, or approvals based on the record's type. And dynamically retrieving the record type ID helps you avoid hard coding IDs on your processes, okay? I just wanted to point out that hard coding can lead to maintenance issues if the IDs change in the future or if you have different environments. Also, it makes the system more user friendly because users do not need to worry about selecting the correct type manually. All I gotta do is a system can do it for them based on their records attributes. So in turn, it reduces the risk of errors in record handling because manually selecting a record type can lead to mistakes, but dynamic retrieval minimizes that risk, right? It's very handy. It ensures consistency in your process. It helps maintain data integrity and compliance, and you can enforce business rules and ensure that records adhere to specific standards by automating based on record types. And it, of course, in general, it streamlines processes by automating record, and you can save time and reduce manual effort in handling records. Once again, all you gotta do is go to account. You would see the account type here, right? But we don't have the account yet. So, but needless to say, dynamically getting the record type ID in Salesforce Flow empowers you to build more adaptable, user-friendly, and efficient business processes that can accommodate changes and scale within your organization's lead. Because if you ask me, it makes your automation more scalable, and with that, as your organization grows and you introduce new record types, you don't need to update your flows every single time. The system does that for you and they adapt dynamically. How cool is that, right? You can also sometimes I see people that they record the type ID in the flow to implement conditional logic. For instance, they can set up different actions, different notifications, or even different approvals based on the record's type. So that's how useful the getting record type in ID and sales flow dynamically. And I believe if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials such as this one. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in the future videos, please leave a comment below. Thank you guys, and I'll probably see you in the next video. Thanks and see you.